Datuk Seri Panglima Hajiji Noor is a Malaysian politician who has served as member of the Sabah State Legislative Assembly for Sulaman since October 1990. He becomes the 16th Chief Minister of Sabah on 29 September 2020 after a coalition of Perikatan Nasional, Barisan and United Sabah Party called Gabungan Rakyat Sabah won 38 of 73 seats the 16th state election, in addition to 3 independent members of the 16th State Legislative Assembly who pledged support to PN. Hajiji was born in Kampung Sarisap, Tuaran is the second of 3 children of Nur Heron and Taraya Omar. He attended Sarisap Native Primary School in 1961, before attending Tuaran Government Secondary School, now Badan Secondary School, in 1967. After getting 15 aggregates in Lower Certificate of Education examination, he was transferred to St. John's Secondary School in 1972 and excelled in Malaysian Certificate of Education examination as one of the best students in Tuaran after his high school graduation in 1974. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.